Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Capricorn for the month of November 2025. This will be a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. In this reading, we will cover the overall energy for the month of November, key obstacles, challenges, actions or advice, what are the strengths and opportunities you have, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. Okay. So let's start. What's the overall energy for the month of November? Oh wow. Okay. Let's see, what are the key challenges or obstacles you have? What are the key challenges or obstacles we have for you? Okay. Please clarify the Hanged Man. Please clarify the Hanged Man as the key challenges or obstacles. Oh, both the major arcana cards. Alright. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. What are the action or advice we have for you? What are the action and advice energies we have for you? What are the actions and advice energies we have for you? Actions or advice we have for you? What are the actions or advice we have for you? What's the action or advice we have for you? Okay. Please clarify Ten of Swords as the action or advice. Please clarify Ten of Swords as the action or advice. Please clarify Ten of Swords for the action or advice for Capricorn. Ten of Swords. The action or advice. Ten of Swords is the action or advice. Alright. Okay. Let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for you. What are the strengths or opportunities we have for you in the month of November 2025? The strength and opportunities we have for the month of November 2025. What are the strengths and opportunities we have for you? Please ignore the background noise, guys. The kids playing and... Okay, please clarify Eight of Wands as the strength and opportunities. Please clarify Eight of Wands as the strength and opportunities in November. Please clarify Eight of Wands as the strength and opportunities in November. Wow. I don't know, intuitively I got that the card coming up is the Cups card, which is basically the emotions card. Okay, great. Let's see what's the probable outcome. What's the probable outcome? What's the probable outcome? What's the probable outcome we have for you in the November month? Wow. No. We did not take all. We will just reshuffle it. Please clarify the King of Pentacles as the probable outcome. Please clarify King of Pentacles as the probable outcome. Please clarify King of Pentacles as the probable outcome. Please clarify King of Pentacles as the probable outcome. Please clarify King of Pentacles as the probable outcome. Okay, got it. So, bottom of the deck, guys, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so now this card is like, bottom of the deck is basically your subconscious energies or the energies somewhere which are suppressed or आप express नहीं कर रहे हो, but deep down you are focusing towards it. Okay, so for some of you, I am seeing you are focusing towards a long-term commitment kind of energy, a connection, long-term stability. For some of you, it can be like you are, taking a family legacy to the next लेवल, ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है. अगर आप सिंगल हो, सो यू आर फोकसिंग टूवर्ड्स लॉन्ग टर्म कमिटमेंट, मैरिज कमिटमेंट, फैमिली, टुगेदरनेस, सेलिब्रेशन, ग्रोथ, abundance, सक्सेस, ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन योर करियर, यू आर लुकिंग फॉर ग्रोथ, यू आर looking for some of you might be thinking of the promotion, the rewards for your hard work, okay, and somewhere आप long term financial stability, emotional stability, दोनों में आप long term आप अपना thought रख रहे हो, okay, that is what the energy is. Now the energy for the month of, this was the back end energy, okay. Now the energy for the month of November is like you are being focused, okay, आप बहुत passionate हो, आप बहुत focused हो, बहुत determined हो, आप foresightedness है, आप आगे देख के, आगे का plan करके अपने goals को कैसे achieve करना है, आप उसके लिए बहुत एनर्जेटिक हो, प्रॉपर प्लानिंग और स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ आप अपना नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेने का ट्राई कर रहे हो. ऑल्सो यू आर सपोर्टेड, ओके, यू आर हैविंग द सपोर्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, ऑफ योर लव्ड वंस, ऑफ योर इट बेसिकली आपको एक सपोर्ट जहां से भी आपको चाहिए वो सपोर्ट आ जाएगा, सपोर्ट आपको मिल जाएगा. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज बी एनर्जेटिक, हैव दैट पैशन. अगर आप थोड़ा डिले कर दोगे चीजों को तो इट्स लाइक यू नीड टू टेक एक्शन. प्लान करो, स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाओ और एक्शन लो, ओके. डोंट जस्ट be in that planning zone only, okay. You need to work towards it to achieve your goal with passion, with grace, with confidence, and you will get the success, okay. And also for some of you I see that jahan par bhi zarurat hai, you are not afraid of taking or doing something new, okay. अगर आप कुछ नया स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हो तो यू आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ द आउटकम, रादर यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड वेरी being very observant and analyzing the situation. के जैसे मुझे अगर ये फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको कुछ ऑनलाइन आपका कुछ स्टार्ट करना है तो यू आर हैविंग प्रॉपर प्लानिंग, आपने प्रॉपर प्लान किया है. अगर नहीं किया तो आपको प्रॉपर प्लान करने की जरूरत है और बहुत एनालाइज करके स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ उस चीज को स्टार्ट करने की जरूरत है. यू आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ टेकिंग अ न्यू step or taking a risk, and you are very passionate towards it. You will get the growth, you will get the success in it, but you have to take action, okay. Don't be in that energy of procrastination or delaying it, ठीक है. So that's the overall energy for the month of November. Now the key challenges or obstacles, as I said, सिर्फ प्लानिंग नहीं करना है, अटके नहीं रहना है, ठीक है. आपको there is this, for some of you now here we are not talking of any specific area like love life or only career, only love life. No, these are the energies in any areas of your life, any aspect of your life. तो हो आप ना किसी चीज में अटके हुए हो, आप मूव ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप आपके सबकॉन्शियस फियर्स हैं जो बार बार पॉपअप हो जाते हैं एंड यू आर लाइक लास्ट टाइम तो ट्राई किया था ऐसा, maybe you have tried something and you didn't get success. तो आप उस चीज को अपने आप से you are letting it overpower you, आप उस चीज को बाहर नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो, you are not moving on from it, okay. So it's like आपका माइंड बोलता है कि कर सकते हैं, your heart will say no, you have you forgotten the last time what happened, whatever it is. It can be in your love life, हो सकता है आपको अपने लव लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है बट आप पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, पास्ट ट्रॉमा की वजह से आप मूव ऑन नहीं कर रहे हो, एंड दैट इज योर सबकॉन्शियस फियर्स ऑफ गेटिंग हर्ट, okay. If there was something painful happened, this is a general reading so I can't go specific in detail, but these are the different scenarios I am seeing कि you are stuck because of something, okay. Maybe आपने कुछ अपने वर्क लाइफ में अपने कुछ स्टार्ट किया हो and you didn't get the expected outcome, तो आप अभी भी उसी चीज में अटके हो, okay. You are not moving out or coming out of that stuck energy of that fear, and you are not able to balance your head and heart, okay. So that is what the problem is. So what you have to do is to come out of your comfort zone. You have to अपने कितना एक्शन लेना है और किस एक्शन से आपको हर्ट नहीं होगा, आपके आसपास के लोगों को हर्ट नहीं होगा, जो आपसे जुड़े हैं उनको हर्ट नहीं होगा, उन चीजों को बैलेंस करके आपको एक मिडिल वे फाइंड करना है टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट, ओके. बिकॉज दीज आर बोथ द मेजर अरकाना कार्ड्स एंड दिस कैन बी a lesson to your soul that you need to focus on. I don't know you believe in that, but the soul has different lessons which the soul needs to learn. तो हो सकता है for some of you या फिर बहुत स्पेसिफिक के लिए कि this is what your lesson your soul needs to learn, how to move on and how to deal with your fears, subconscious fears, and how to overcome that energy, that fearful energy, okay, that stuck energy. So that is what the thing is. So you need to balance your, there are बोलते ना, there are three nadis, ida, pingla and shushumna. So you need to balance your that, create a balance between your ida, pingla, okay, which is basically the sushumna. So you need to do some meditation. अगर आप meditation नहीं कर रहे हो तो meditate करो, थोड़ा सा drink lot of water, अपने आप को hydrate रखो, थोड़ा सा grounding करो. So all these things will help you to connect with your inner self, connect with the nature, and then it will, आपको clarity आएगी कि किस चीज में आपको फोकस करने की जरूरत है और कैसे आपको इस चीज से ओवरकम करने की जरूरत है. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द एक्शंस और एडवाइस. सो समथिंग एंडेड and that is why the subconscious fears and the stuck energy is coming. Okay, so something ended which is still heavy on you to deal with, and for some of you it can be for very specific. आप अपने past person को miss कर रहे हो. If it was a end of a connection, okay, so you are missing out that old person, you are missing on that emotional connection with that person. हो सकता है आपको उस पर्सन के साथ सोलमेट कनेक्शन फील हुआ हो, एंड यू आर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू आर स्टक इन दैट एनर्जी. समथिंग हैपेंड विच वॉज अनएक्सपेक्टेड. आपको देयर इज दिस एनर्जी ऑफ सेटबैक, बिट्रेयल, एंड ऑफ अ थिंग इन अ पेनफुल वे. ठीक है, तो वो हुआ है जिसकी वजह से आप मूव ऑन करना आपके लिए चैलेंज हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Now it's clear. Okay, for some of you that is one thing, and for some of you, so as I told you what you have to do, okay, to deal with this stuck energy and how to come out of that stuck energy. आप कुछ के लिए ये भी हो सकता है कि जैसे मैंने बोला ना, अगर आपने वर्क रिलेटेड आपने कुछ स्टार्ट किया था तो आपको उसमें सक्सेस नहीं मिली एंड यू आर समवेयर अफ्रेड टू टेक द स्टेप, new step or the next step. Okay, so you need to overcome that fear and deal with it. For some of you I am seeing कि आपका कोई childhood hobby है, कोई art है, तो आप उसको you need to give time for that. आपको अपने इनर चाइल्ड से कनेक्ट होने की जरूरत है. दैट इज वॉट ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग. सो आपको चाइल्डहुड में जो भी पसंद था, मे बी आप पेंट, डांस, एक्सरसाइज, योगा, एनीथिंग बेसिकली, सो उस चीज पे भी थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. बेसिकली आपको अपने इनर चाइल्ड से कनेक्ट करने की जरूरत है, सो दैट यू कैन हील एंड ओवरकम दिस पेनफुल एनर्जी. ओके, because your inner child is not looking for anybody else to help, it is only looking at you. Okay, so you need to spend some time doing things which will heal your inner child and help you to overcome this painful energy, and then ultimately help you to move on from this stuck energy and listen to your intuition, connect with your inner self and focus towards your growth, because that is what you're looking for. Now coming to the strength and opportunities, as I said, there is passion. Okay, आप passionately काम कर रहे हो. Now I see that you are somewhere, something is moving fast. हो सकता है अभी तक जो चीजें अटकी हुई थी वो वो बहुत सडन से मूव करेगी, इट विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. हो सकता है अभी आप मूव ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे थे, बट यू विल गेट समथिंग वेयर यू विल बी एबल टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट और फोकस ऑन अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, और फिर आप इस एनर्जी से मूव ऑन कर पाओगे. देयर इज दिस एनर्जी ऑफ समथिंग मूविंग अहेड. हो सकता है आप ट्रैवल कर लो कहीं, या फिर आप जब ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो सडनली समथिंग विल क्लिक एंड यू विल बी लाइक व्हाई डोंट आई फोकस ऑन दैट, या मैंने कभी ऐसा क्यों नहीं सोचा, या मैंने अभी why have not I tried this thing. Something is happening all of a sudden which is for your good, okay, for your growth. And it can be a short travel, 8 to 10 days का कुछ travel हो सकता है. And also I see that you might be looking at different things. हो सकता है आप ये सोच रहे हो कि ये फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास 5 से 6 ऑप्शन है कि मुझे ये स्टार्ट करना है. समटाइम यू आर thinking of learning musical instrument, then you are saying no, I should spend some time on painting, then no, I should focus on the gym, no, I should focus on cooking. So there are so many items which you are trying to focus on, but आपको इस चीज पे ध्यान देना है कि आप जिस चीज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा आपके अंदर पैशन है, जो आप एक्चुअली में करना चाहते हो, उस चीज पे ध्यान दीजिए। अगर आप सारी चीजों पे एक साथ ध्यान दोगे ना, तो बेसिकली आप किसी चीज पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाओगे, राइट? सो जस्ट ट्राई टू प्रायोरिटाइज एंड थिंक कि what is that which makes you feel good, makes you feel passionate towards working on it, and किस चीज से आप ज्यादा कनेक्ट करते हो, ओके? वो उस चीज पे ध्यान दीजिए। फॉर सम ऑफ यू आई सी इफ इट इज रिलेटेड टू your love life, then you have to keep yourself or protect yourself from distractions. You don't have to judge anybody just by their appearance, okay? First of all, another is you need to think कि आपका long term goal क्या है and what kind of connection you are going to enter into, okay? So उन सब चीजों को, उन सब बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप किसी भी चीज के लिए डिसीजन लीजिएगा। Now coming to the outcome, as I said, you're looking for something long term, right? That was the bottom of the deck कि long term कुछ plan कर रहे हो, long term stability। हो सकता है work life में long term connection देख रहे हो, sorry, long term stability देख रहे हो, in your personal life आप long term stability, long term connection देख रहे हो। So that is what the energy is. Accordingly you have to make a choice here. So there is this stability is coming in your life, financial stability, abundance is coming, growth is coming in your life, but at the same time आपको हो सकता है left out feel हो, ओके? यू मे फील के जो आपसे ज्यादा कनेक्ट करते थे, आपका फ्रेंड सर्कल है, आपके क्लोज वंस है, यू मे नॉट फील दैट दे आर विद यू। हो सकता है आपको लगे कि nobody is understanding you and nobody is supporting you emotionally and financially. So you may feel left out in the cold. Nobody is here to understand me, support me, I don't know what to do, but you will overcome this energy, okay? You don't have to this negative thing overpower you, all right? So focus on that. Growth is coming on your way, your stability is coming, but don't let this energy overpower you. You have to create balance in whatever you are dealing with. You have to create balance and keep going, okay? You just have to change your perspective. maybe आपके पास सब कुछ है, बट आप अपना पर्सपेक्टिव, अपना नजरिया ना नेगेटिव चीज पे ज्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हो, नेगेटिव चीज पे, नेगेटिव लोगों पे ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हो, और उस वजह से somewhere your success is taking more time than actually how much it should. Okay, so that is what the message we have for you. I'm sorry, the cards are here. So yeah, so that is what the message we have for you. It's a good reading, guys, but just take some time out for yourself and try to connect with yourself to understand what is that your soul is trying to convey to you. Okay, we'll take a guiding message for you. What's the guiding message we have for you in the month of November? Whoa, my goodness. Okay, drum. See, the drum says dream and journey. So whatever you were dreaming with, okay, you need to work towards it. And as I said, you might also go on a आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो जहाँ से या जहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट तरह के आइडियाज आ सकते हैं, आप डिफरेंट कुछ पर्सपेक्टिव मिल सकता है, कुछ नया इंसाइट मिल सकता है टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स योर ड्रीम, ओके? एंड प्रोटेक्शन गार्डियन, ड्रॉप योर शील्ड. एज आई सेड, you have the support of the universe. Long term like stability is coming in, growth is coming in, but you need to come out of that negative frequency, that heavy energy of not being understood by the people or by your closed ones, okay? So that is what you have to do. You are protected, you are supported by the universe, but try to focus on the things which you need to actually focus on for your growth, okay? So that is what the energy we have for you, guys. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.